Let me ask you, when was the last time you raised your prices? If you're watching this video, chances are that deep down you already feel like it's time. And from my experience, keeping your prices at the same time for too long means leaving hundreds, even thousands of dollars on the table. If you're new to my channel, my name is Slesh Terry. I help artists skyrocket their skill with Now It's My Time program and get them booked out with my marketing program, Scale with Beauty Slash, which is also a sponsor of today's video. Now, in the first chapter, we will discuss the signs that you are ready to raise prices and how do you know if it's the right time. So here are the 4 big signs. And the first one, you're simply booked. You don't have time. If your calendar is packed 2-3 weeks in advance, that's basically your sign that demand is high. Now, number 2, clients are telling you you're worth much more. When people are starting telling you that you should charge more, you should definitely listen. Now, number 3, your work has leveled up. If you see your work 6 months ago and now, and you see way different results, that is also your sign to increase your prices. And number 4, your client experience has improved. If, for instance, you have better tools, you have faster healing, you have faster procedure time, you give more comfort to your clients, these are also signs that you should increase your prices. And if you checked even just one of them, this is your sign. Now, in chapter 2, I want to discuss the common pricing mistakes PMU artists make. So before you raise your prices, I really encourage you to avoid these common traps. And the first one is actually comparing yourself to local competition. Because just if someone down the street charges less doesn't mean you should, because your skill, your brand, your experience are unique. You yourself are unique, and it's your decision if you want to be a mass market or high-end luxury brand. And another thing is thinking you'll lose everyone. And spoiler, you won't. Your dream clients care about the results, not being the cheapest. And I personally would choose the artist who charges more, because for me, higher price means better quality. Now, next one, waiting until you feel perfect. Confidence grows after you raise prices, not before. If you keep waiting for the perfect moment, you'll be in the same place next year, just more tired and just more burned out. Now, in the next chapter, I will talk about how much to increase without actually scaring your clients. So how much is too much? If you've been at your current price for the less than 6 months, raise by $50 to $100. Clients will barely notice. If you made a major improvement, maybe adding new certification, rebranding, or winning an award, you can raise by $200 or $300 in one jump. Rule of thumb, raise prices every 3 to 6 months until you hit your target income. Now, in the chapter 4, I want to discuss how to announce your new prices. And this part makes artists nervous because we all have to tell our clients our new prices, so how to do it the right way. And obviously you have to do it with confidence and gratitude. And here, let me give you an example of the script. So here you could say, hey, beautiful, I wanted to let you know that starting from the date, my prices will be increased to reflect my upgraded quality, tools, and service I now provide. I'm so grateful for your loyalty, so I wanted to give you the chance to book at the current rate before it changes. It's such a nice message that will reflect your new upgraded level of the service you provide. So you can post a similar message on Instagram or send a private DMs to even clients who inquired before but didn't book. And this will give them a nice 30-day notice, which is very fair and actually will give them a little boost. Now, in the next chapter, I want to discuss what to do if the clients push back, if the clients say that's too expensive. If they do say it, don't panic. Not every client is your client. And you can simply reply, I completely understand. I've invested a lot into improving my work. My prices now reflect that, and I'd love to work with you again in the future if it's a great it. And in the last part, I want to discuss the mindset shift to charge your worth, because here's the truth. High prices attract high quality clients. When you undercharge, you don't just make less money, you're attracting people who value cheap over quality. And you're not selling an appointment, you are selling transformation, confidence, and trust in your art. And that is priceless. So here your challenge. I want you to look at your calendar today. If you're booked solid, if you work better than ever, your clients love you, it's time. Even a small $50 raise will add up to thousands over the year. And if this video helped you, hit subscribe, because in the next week, I'm teaching you exactly how to attract premium clients who happily pay higher prices. Now go charge what you're worth, and I'll see you in the next one.